Hello, hello. This is a quick video to talk to you about kind of a unique problem that I've been having while I've been printing. So let's chat a little about print settings and how we can fix some things that might go wrong in the exchange between asking something to print from your iPad from Procreate to your actual printer. This is not a white background. The printer is reading the information to where it's printing a gray background to try to equalize the colors that it's printing, if that makes sense. Okay, so it took me some time to come to this conclusion, but I'm sharing this with you in hopes that this will help you with your printer settings and trying to avoid this really strange, like super strange gray background that gets like added in to equalize those colors, because I don't want that, right? Like I want it to be a nice pretty white background with some colored elements on it. So what I learned is that after doing this research and whatnot, right, that although I've been exporting things with PNG or JPEG to try to have like the highest quality of an image to then print it and send it to the printer, like, hey printer, you're going to read this as a really high quality JPEG. Instead, I've learned that my printer, for my purposes and how it works for me, is that I have to export it as a PDF instead. And it's going to flatten the file, flatten the data, flatten how it's reading everything. I know there's better terminology to describe all this, and if you'd like to contribute, feel free to. But in my very rudimentary understanding, this idea of like flattening and changing the file and how it's being read, right? How that machine, how that printer is reading the file is going to change. So I'm going to export it as a PDF. I'll choose the best quality and go from there. So now I'm on the print page, right? And I'm gonna make sure I have like a color fine set. I'm gonna make sure it's the best quality, and then I'll print it. And I'll see you guys in a second. Here it is. Let's take a peek. Ooh, it worked. All right, let's check it out. Fantastic. So like we talked about, it didn't try to equalize with that gray, right? Because the printer is trying to help you. It's trying to help you understand the colors and print out like a nice copy, but it doesn't quite understand what you want from the file that it's reading as a PNG or a JPEG. If you flatten it and do something different with it and print as a PDF, a different way for that machine, that computer, right, to read that information, to read that code and then print it for you. Yeah, it works so much better. So I just wanted to share that with you. I was frantically looking for this on YouTube and didn't find anybody explaining this, and it was super disappointing. So I hope that this helps you. Please don't get discouraged. Your art deserves to be printed and framed. And yeah, it's all about the print settings and how things are read across computers, how things are transferred in terms of information. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye guys. See ya.